Question number 1. The efficiency of a machine can never be A. 100%, B. 90%, C. 80%, D. 75%. The correct answer is option A. 100%. Question number 2. Which is a mode of heat transfer by actual motion of matter? A. Conduction, B. Radiation, C. Convection, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Convection. Question number 3. A light year is a unit of A. Time, B. Distance, C. Velocity, D. Displacement. The correct answer is option B. Distance. Question number 4. What is the unit of power of a lens called? A. Power, B. Watt, C. Kilowatt hour, D. Diopter. The correct answer is option D. Diopter. Question number 5. The rate of doing work is called A. Work, B. Energy, C. Power, D. Force. The correct answer is option C. Power. Question number 6. The density of water is maximum at A. 4 degrees Celsius, B. -4 degrees Celsius, C. 3 degrees Celsius, D. 3 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option A. 4 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. Heat supplied to a system is measured in A. Kelvin, B. Joules, C. Watt, D. Celsius. The correct answer is option B. Joules. Question number 8. Which vitamin is needed for proper clotting of blood? A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin E, C. Vitamin B, D. Vitamin B7. The correct answer is option A. Vitamin K. Question number 9. The C unit of magnetic flux is A. Tesla, B. Maxwell, C. Weber, D. Henry. The correct answer is option C. Weber. Question number 10. Which of the following is a pesticide? A. VCR, B. HCl, C. TNT, D. DDT. The correct answer is option D. DDT. Question number 11. Which of the following elements has the highest electronegativity? A. Fluorine, B. Bromine, C. Chlorine, D. Iodine. Correct answer is option A. Fluorine. Question number 12. Which of the following has the highest amount of citric acid? A. Banana, B. Grapes, C. Lime, D. Mango. Correct answer is option C. Lime. Question number 13. Which of the following is a viral disease? A. Beriberi, B. Measles, C. Syphilis, D. Rickets. Correct answer is option B. Measles. Question number 14. Which gas produce when all acids reacting with metals? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is option D. Hydrogen. Question number 15. Which is the hardest substance in human body? A. Fingernail, B. Skull bones, C. Kneecap, D. Tooth enamel. Correct answer is option D. Tooth enamel. Question number 16. Which scientist formulated the theory of evolution? A. Aristotle, B. Alexander Fleming, C. Charles Darwin, D. Isaac Newton. Correct answer is option C. Charles Darwin. Question number 17. The layer of atmosphere closest to the Earth's surface is the A. Troposphere, B. Lithosphere, C. Stratosphere, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Troposphere. Question number 18. Rusting of iron is an example of A. Redox reaction, B. Decomposition reaction. C. Neutralization reaction. D. Combination reaction. Correct answer is option A. Redox reaction. Question number 19. Which of the following becomes difficult without a frictional force? A. The movement of door. B. Playing carom. C. Walking on a wet marble floor. D. All of above. Correct answer is option C. Walking on a wet marble floor. Question number 20. Which of the following is used in acupuncture treatment? A. Knives. B. Needles. C. Cups. D. Thread. Correct answer is option B. Needles. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।